peaceful feeling. Because, you know, people are willing to rest in cemeteries. There's something fear feels about it.
Hey, do you guys mind if we come in and just
Pay respects.
pay respects?
I heard it.
How do you guys want to communicate with us? We're not trying to communicate with you. Make some noises. Should I have to get inside?
Hold on for a sec. I'm gonna pull up micrometer as well.
Little rough. Stainless steel.
Who was that we just seen into the woods? Can you
5/16, 18 threads per inch. No, 24, I'm sorry. That looks like 24. That's a fine thread.
No, we can't. Sorry.
That one too. So the ends are all messed up, so we're going to throw a file to them and clean them up.
Maybe. Okay. What if I say pretty please?
Uncertain.
With a cherry on top? Should I use the EVP recorder? That way you could freely express yourself again? Do you have any questions, Chris?
Yeah. Do you guys enjoy when people come back here? Are you guys enjoying this, or should we just go?
Bro, I swear to God, I just looked over there and I swear to you, bro.
Because I heard something.
I'm freaking out right now because I really think on gun. There was like a very. I'm trying to describe it. It's like, bro, I looked over there. I saw what looked like of a person. I'll ask a couple more questions. What did I see in the cemetery, or who did I see in the cemetery? Can you confirm what that was, or who that was? Please?
You guys want to show yourself in the shape of a shadow, an orb, figure, anything?
Jailhouse.
They're saying that's like a jailhouse in there. They're weird. They're trapped and stuff.
Is that you? We hear you. Come closer.
Like your grandpa uncle's just respect it. It's a big boy. Cool. Do you know that you're not alive anymore? Are you away? Rich. The witch doctor. There was a lot of witchcraft stuff in this forest.
When you were alive, you were a witch. Is that what you're trying to say? What the fuck was that?
Boys.
Yeah. Chris, that light right there. Because if you look at them, they don't turn off. They may change color subtly, but they don't.
This is getting a little close for me, bro.
Yeah. Let's,
I'm just gonna get a little closer to the truck.
he loves you.
Okay, which one of my relatives are you, I guess? Who are you? I mean, let's say they don't jump out of the cemetery and fall across the road, you know?
True.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just uneasy.
I feel very uncomfortable. I'll be 100% honest. I don't like how this feels.
Something is not right here tonight. Could be the water or rain.
A thunderstorm.
Could that be energy? There's just like an energy ball tonight, you know?
Let
Tornado.
us know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I'm gonna be honest. I want to get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little
Why do I keep thinking I see things?
honestly.
Who's that? Oh, get in the truck, let's go. Okay, we're flying. We're back here at the campsite and we're packing things up, getting ready for bed, turned off the campfire. I don't know, bro. What do you think so far?
This place turning into like one of my least favorite places, dude. This place is so scary.
It really is.
The evidence was awesome, but
I was looking at the moon in the back.
no, that doesn't part of the reason. Just kind of feeling things. Tonight was scary as hell. I don't care what this is.
Well, I'm ready to get to bed.
Bro, what the? Oh, I swear to God, Jazz did